Digging the last ditch for this plumbing roughing over here. This is for a friend of ours. He's using his Chinese mini-X, and it is doing one heck of a job compared to when I usually have to bust out my big boy excavator. But no, this thing's doing just fine. It's a little jumpy, but that's to be expected. Be like that. Heck yeah. Mind you, that's West Texas playing caliche. Does it dig like a dream? No. Does it dig like a $50,000 cat? No. Is it worth more than the $4,500 we paid for it? Fuck yeah.